Greetings, everyone, and welcome to Crypto Nights. We wanted to put out a short video to talk about crypto's wild ride in 2018. So we're recording this video on January 1st, 2019. And reflecting over the events of 2018, we thought about 5 reasons why cryptocurrencies underperformed in 2018. Now, the year prior, there were a lot of high expectations and hopes for cryptocurrencies. Lots of infrastructure being built. Just as an example, blockchain wallet users increased steadily throughout 2018. We ended the year with a little bit more than 30 million blockchain wallet users. So begs the question of why didn't the price or valuations around cryptocurrencies increase steadily? Instead, they declined. Well, one of the reasons is while we had a lot of wallets, there was not a lot of money in those wallets, folks. So some of the wallets, there's a small amount of wallets, said differently, that have a lot of value in them, but there are many wallets that don't have a lot of value. So again, why? So reason number one is a lot of development going on, but no killer apps have been developed as of yet. Of course, many believe that Bitcoin in itself is a killer app, is a cryptocurrency. Sorry, folks, CryptoKitties is not a killer app. So consequently, apps that solve real-world problems, even if they have entertainment value, have not yet been developed and adopted by the masses. So our first reason is no killer apps. Second reason, of course, is lack of regulatory clarity. A couple stories around regulatory clarity, particularly in the U.S. In 2018 as an example. The market, a lot of market participants were hopeful that the SEC would approve a cryptocurrency-backed ETF, and people waited throughout 2018, and they're still waiting today for that. Just as recent as December 31st of 2018, the Backed project made an announcement that they were still waiting on regulatory approvals from the CTFC for their for Backed platform. So lack of regulatory clarity has not helped expectations. Now, in the long term, this may not be a bad thing. The U.S. is sort of going slow with understanding cryptocurrencies and taking a position on them, but at least in the short term, it has depressed expectations. The third reason that we want to highlight is misinformation. Again, a couple stories for us to reflect on. Just think about some of the comments that some of the titans of U.S. business have made concerning cryptocurrencies in 2018. You can Google for yourselves many of the comments that Jamie Dimon has made. You can Google for yourselves some of the comments that Warren Buffett and his business partner Charlie Munger have made around Bitcoin. In fact, I think they referred to it as rat poison in 2018. So a lot of misinformation around cryptocurrencies. Fourthly, risk assets in general sold off. So 2018 was a rough year for equities, corporate bonds, and even commodities. The fourth quarter in particular, oil as an example sold off. A lot of the FANG stocks sold off. So risk assets in general sold off in 2018. Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies included. Now we know that, or we have observed that there has been a low correlation between traditional asset classes and cryptocurrencies. However, we also know that or observe that in times of distress, correlations generally trend towards 100%, at least in the short term. And reason number 5, contentious hard fork among the Bitcoin Cash community in particular. Sorry, folks, but outsiders looking on the inside of the cryptocurrency community may have a hard time distinguishing between some of the sub-communities, and the contentious hard fork and sophomoric behavior amongst the community did not necessarily help to encourage a lot of faith from the established financial community in terms of cryptocurrencies in general. So to summarize, we haven't got the killer app yet. Still waiting for clarity from U.S. regulators in particular. There's still a lot of misinformation around cryptocurrencies. For example, people still believe that most of the folks that use cryptocurrencies are bad actors. Risk assets in general sold off in 2018. And of course, there was contentiousness or examples of contentiousness amongst the crypto community, which does not help the overall effort of marketing cryptocurrencies beyond the community. So, thank you for sharing your time. If you have enjoyed what you've heard, please remember to subscribe. Please feel free to comment and share this video with others. Thank you for listening to Crypto Nights.